What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jose back again with another video. Got a request real quick. Y'all already know back up to this. Yo, it's 2 videos upload today. I mean, I'm just getting it done because I know she's not gonna be here for the week, so gonna do that. Tomorrow I won't be uploading, guys, so sorry about that. But make sure you guys leave your suggestions of what y'all want to see. And we're doing today the Master Lock Challenge, requested by Big. I didn't check that. I'll put it in the video. Requested it, but shout out to you. Keep letting me know what y'all want to see. And you know, let's get into it. Damn, I forgot the phone. The other phone. You need to go get it. No. You do it.
No.
You're gonna tap out first. Alright, let's get it, guys. Let's get it, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm super tall, so. 5'11". She how tall?
5'2".
5'2".
Yep.
God damn, you sure.
What are you talking
Alright, let's get it started, ready? Come on, stay for that long. Does it hurt?
A little.
A little? A little? Does it still hurt a little? 20 seconds.
Ow.
At least do 5 minutes. Come on. I mean, I won't be able to. I'm sick as hell, bro.
Ow.
Come on. Yo, guys, this is so boring.
Ow.
Stop laughing. That's so funny. It's supposed to hurt. Start crying. That's it.
No.
Tap out when you're ready.
Okay.
You almost got a minute.
I'm not gonna give up. And
Alright.
ouch.
She won't give up, guys. We lit up here. You already know. Get that side view. Get that side view. We got that lock. On deck, bro. On deck.
Ow. I can't.
Oh, why are you so bored?
You should want some music on. Ow.
Oh, did that hurt? Sorry. You look like a chicken. Too many people.
I think I'm gonna tap out, but I'm not.
It's about to be 2 minutes, bro. You did good. Not gonna be your record, though. That's not fun for me. I at least get something on my knees, bro. Bro, this is.
Ow! That hurts.
My hands are getting tired.
Should I tap out?
You good? Nah, you good. You good. She don't know. No, okay.
Ow!
Damn, guys, she might do it.
I think I'm not, but okay. Ow! Don't keep on doing so much
You're
pressure.
going to be hurting for days.
Stop!
What? Hey, you can't go down. No. Stay right there.
Ow!
The camera's kind of twisted, though.
Yeah, but that's okay. No,
You good on it?
not really, but okay. Ah! Oh, my back is hurting.
My back is killing me, but I gotta bend down to do this shit. It's not fun. Look how I am, guys. Yo, for real. Yo.
I don't
Someone
like
stand
the
up.
cheese. Ow!
That's, I can't stand up, guys. You feel me?
How much do I have?
You
Ow, my back!
Hey, you can't do that.
I know. Ow.
Get that body already out. Almost 1 minute. Good walk.
Oh, I want to get up to 5.
Okay. I'm just like here, guys.
Stop that.
Oh. Hey, you can't move. Uh,
4 minutes.
Alright, this to be tomorrow's video, guys. So, yeah, let's count it as that because I have to go somewhere. So, yeah, I already know. Oh, it's so hot. I should the fans in there.
Bro, how much do I have? Don't.
much?
Ow!
Yeah, that's how much you got.
Ow! Oh, don't do that. That hurts.
Oh hell no, bro! You got the bone. Oh nah, bro. Go get your hair back. Oh nah.
He got a ill. His hair is so ill. Oh my goodness.
Oh, don't come in the shower.
No, I already got 5.
Oh, okay.
Ow!
God damn it, guys. So I have to do 5 minutes. That's not even 1 second. Harder. You gotta push harder. There we go. Okay, it's not like this is lit.
What do you mean, babe? My
Wait,
back is
let me get the phone out here so I can know what's good.
Tap out when you want to.
Nigga, I ain't tapping out. I gotta beat your bum ass.
Do you think you could get over 5?
Yeah, bro, if you did it, I have to. I mean, I'm sick, but still. Yeah, this shit hurt. Damn, bro. You're like breaking my neck. I cannot even talk.
My back is hurting right now.
Even my back already hurts. Oh.
My hands are getting sweaty.
I know. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I got some long ass arms, bro.
You look like someone you look like if you were dead.
I am dead. She's killing me. I'm gonna take a nap. I'll be able.
How are you gonna take a nap?
This is so good. It is. It's like a motherfucker. Yo, might as well get that fan. We had it on the whole video. It's probably
Thank
gonna
you.
shut up. There you go. Turn it on, nigga.
I can't!
No. This is okay. Ow. In my neck. Yo, this is worse than working out, guys. For real. Stop
No,
breathing in my
at
neck.
least it's easier than the camel clutch.
No, it's not. Oh, wait, it is.
Ow, my back is hurting.
It's only been 2 minutes.
You're gonna have to wait 3 minutes.
I don't think I'll have a spinal cord after this.
What?
I don't think I'll have a spinal cord after this.
Ouch, my
Yeah,
back.
hurt.
Ooh. Oh, about to late. Back.
Get your ass up. I had to bend over, nigga.
My back is hurting.
Mm.
I think I'm the one that's gonna die.
What you mean? You're done already.
Huh?
You're done. You're already tapped out. You have to beat your score.
I didn't tap out.
You did.
What time is it? I mean, how much?
About to be 3.
About a week?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, don't go down.
That my back hurts.
Yeah, that's good.
Your neck is red. Like, really red.
What do you want? Look at this.
I think my nails are getting red. Ouch. Ow. I think it was better to do it standing up.
What do you want? I'm tall as hell. Yo, stop doing that.
Then my back hurts.
That's not fair. You're putting no pressure on me.
might need that fan right now.
Oops.
Yay. No. Is it about to be 5?
No.
Oh. Time goes really slow.
It's boring. What do you want?
I don't think you're gonna
Stop
make it.
doing that. That hurts more. Ow.
Now you see what it feels like.
I'm worse. I'm sick. What do you mean?
Damn, I'm already sweating.
Ow. It
I think this is gonna be your mom's video. Ouch.
is.
Can it be done already? You tapped out?
No wonder, nigga. Right there, guys.
No!
Look how bad I'm sweating, bro.
Damn, my sweat was
Oh.
dripping.
Man. Yo, guys, I'm so sick. Yo. Don't forget, let me know what y'all want to see for Monday. She won't be here, I don't think, Monday, so. I don't know. Something to react to. If she is, she is. Probably doing my sister, but forget. Remember, guys, I won't be uploading tomorrow, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, turn on notifications. I already know. But it's been your boy Jose. I'm out. Peace and.
Peace.